everyone, my name is Judy and welcome back to my channel. I am going to teach you today how to say take care in Cebuano. Take care is pag-amping, pag-amping. Or you can say pag-ayo-ayo, pag-ayo-ayo. So if somebody is going away, going home, you can say pag-amping. It's like take care on the way home. Pag-amping, pag-ayo-ayo. Or you can say ayo-ayo. Ayo-ayo, that's the informal way of saying take care. Ayo-ayo. Or amping. Amping. So the act of taking care of, the act of saying take care is pag-amping. Pag-amping. Alright, so yeah, I think that's it. I hope to see you again, guys, next time in the next episode. Pag-amping, pag-ayo-ayo. Bye-bye.